Okay, this is question now. So we have to resolve all these forces into vertical and horizontal. So set up your table. So where this place will be force, angle, horizontal component. Horizontal component S, vertical component Y. So if you look at all the angles very well, so we have 50 degree to the horizontal. I want to use all the horizontal angle, 40 degree to the horizontal, but this 30 is to the vertical. I have to convert it to the horizontal, so this will be 60 degree. Remember, total angle here is 90. So I'm using the horizontal angle so that all my horizontal components will be cos. So, and we have signs there, that is plus, 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 minus, minus. So now let's start our resolution. So remember, you are going anti-clockwise. So I'm taking the forces 10 Newton, 12 Newton, 20 Newton, 16 Newton, 15 Newton. Now what is the angle for each forces here? So the angle will be for 10. Remember, I said any force that falls on this horizontal line, the angle is 0 degree. So, and anyone that falls on this vertical line, the angle is 90 degree. So it is all these other ones that will have all the horizontal angles. Now, for 10, the angle is 0 degree. For 12, the angle is 50 degree. For 20, the angle is 40 degree. For 16, the angle is 90 degree, so you can trace it. So for 15, the angle is 60 degree. So I'm using all the horizontal angles. And remember, we are going anti-clockwise. So now, for 10 is in horizontal already. So now move it to the vertical is also plus. So that means it's plus plus for both horizontal. So plus 10 cos 0 plus 10 sine 0. So for 12, move it to the horizontal. So it's plus. Move the 12 again to the vertical is also plus. So that is also plus plus. So that will be plus 12 cos 50 plus 12 sine 50. So now for 20, so move it to the horizontal is minus. Move it to the vertical is plus. So that will be minus 20 cos 40 my m plus 20 sine 40. So now for 16 is in vertical already. So the angle is 90. So and that vertical is minus 16 sine 90. So for the horizontal, remember we are going anti-clockwise, as in anti-clockwise. So for horizontal is plus, so that will be plus 16 cos 90. So for 15, so to the horizontal is plus, to the vertical is minus. So that will be plus 15 cos 60 minus 15 sin 60. So we are through with all the resolution now. So the next thing is to add all the forces together. So add all the forces here and also add all the forces here. So to add all the forces in the first one, so 10 cos, so you can press it directly from your calculator. So 10 cos 0 plus 12 cos 50 plus minus 20 cos 40 plus 16 cos 90 plus 15 cos 60. So everything is 9.89, that is plus 9.89. So add the other one also, 10 sin 0 plus 12 sin 50 plus 20 sin 40 minus 16 sin 90 minus 15 sin 60. So that will give us minus 6.94. So that means we have already resolved all these forces into horizontal and vertical. So now, how can we now get our resultant? So to get our resultant, so you draw your cardinal. So see your cardinal point. Remember, any force here is plus, plus, minus, minus. So if you look at your final answer, now for the horizontal component, the result is plus 9.89. So that means it's going for x axis. Remember, horizontal is x. So that means it's going this way, plus. Then if you look at vertical, for y axis is minus 6.94. So it's going down towards minus. So that means my result vector now will be plus, as in this way, also minus. So that means this is 9.84 Newton, while this is 6.94 Newton. So I don't need to put minus there because it's already facing down, and any force facing down is minus already. So we use that arrow to show direction. So now resultant will come out anywhere here. So this is their resultant. So I'll represent here to be my theta. So angle which the resultant make with the horizontal, so that is the theta. You can as well convert it to angle to the vertical. So but I'm saying angle which the resultant make with the horizontal. So now that resultant is now equals to square root of s square plus y square. So r is equals to square root of, so our x is 9.84 square plus 6.94 square. So r equals, so if you press calculator for this and square it, so 9.84 square plus 6.94 square. So everything is 12.04 Newton. So that is the resultant. That means all the five forces, this is their resultant. So this single resultant can do the work those five forces can do. So the work all these forces can do now, this one can do the same thing. So that is their resultant. So now what is that direction? So theta is arctan y over x. So that is arctan 6.94 divided by 9.84. So theta is arctan 6.94 divided by 9.84. So that is 35.19 degree to the horizontal. So that is the direction. So the R is for the resultant 12.04 Newton. Y theta is 35.19 degree for direction. So that's how you can resolve a vector of more than one forces. So now in another video I'll do that we may not need to tabulate it, we can actually do it direct because of jam. But now you learn it with table first, so let's move on in another video.